And we heard this week that USAID has been having some difficulties with their leadership and their management of aid into Haiti.
I don't know about the leadership. I would say that the United States of America, they have done a great effort to provide, to spend billions in Haiti. But I will also say that we need to see more of the results. Is it due to the fact that that money has been spent through NGOs? Probably. But the thing is, we don't have real control of it, so we cannot tell you exactly what the problem is. But for so much money spent, I think that we should have seen more results. And that's why I engage in the conversation with Vice President Biden,
Yeah.
to see how we can find the right formula. So the effort is really convert into some concrete to materialize that effort. Thank you.
Okay.
My English is
It was